We focus on industrial specialized fasteners, engineering steels, specialized abrasives, construction fasteners, and specialized drill bits. So those are the main brands or lines we focus on at Industrial Tooling and Fastening. Yes, Chantal Rousseau, our sales manager, has been certified in industrial tools, especially in the engineering sector, pilot tools. Therefore, the knowledge we have in store is compared nowhere else. The reason why we focus on engineering steels is it's a very expensive range. So we cater for the millimeter. The guy that wants the exact millimeter, 5 centimeters to up to a meter to 2 meters, we cut it per size as the client requested. Yes, Fasteners is a group name. The range is quite large, thousands in the market. We have 6,000 ranges available in store product lines, but there's always more fasteners to be added. Every day we get new clients in for fastener specifics that we don't have available, but we source and grow the range every day. Fasteners is anything that has to do with fixing. Fixing and anchoring is fasteners. We have developed a website specifically for our rural clients. Over the past 6 months, the website has been synchronized and developed in order to get a larger variety of products out there available in the Namibian market. Therefore, we have agreed with one of the biggest suppliers in South Africa with regards to construction, drilling, woodworking, you name it. They have about 35,000 products in their stock holding in a warehouse, and through our newly developed website, you can buy in South Africa free delivery within 4 to 7 working days in Windhoek. Pick up at the store. We try to cater for the public as well. We focus on specialized tools, hammers, pliers, etc. The range is also very large. In store, we're a smaller range, but more focused on the job at hand. We're situated 20 Messum Street, just behind Ours Valley, next to Axles and Gearboxes in Southern Industrial.